So here we are, in a quiet hall of a learned conference, San Francisco. And what do we see? Not in the wild, but here, in the hotel, but a parrot, a wonderful parrot. Let's approach him and find out what's going on with this wonderful bird. How are you, mate? Hello? He was saying hello before. Hello? Hello? Ah, well, that's okay. So while he's not interested in communicating right now, let's go a little closer and see if we can encourage him to talk to us about his life and what he sees around us.
Hello? Hello? What do you want? Go away.
Well, we've certainly been told off by this wonderful bird, so perhaps we'll wander back into the conference room to listen to less aggressive sort of presentations. Bye-bye, little bird. Live well and prosper.